AI has actually got to the same scale as answering questions on social survey data. So they're thinking about basically AI models being a social proxy to humans, because they've learned enough context to understand how humans will answer particular social surveys. If you were to ask a lot of people from the creative industries, they will say their day job is now as a prompt engineer. I ask the models to create me this visual image for my advertising campaign or something along those lines. It's about recognizing the most appropriate data to apply with your prompt, recognizing what good looks like, what bad looks like. I think that's where the skill set lies for a lot of, let's say, the future of applying AI in a business context. You do need domain experts. Fundamentally, AI is trained on the data that it's been made available to it to be trained. So it might not have everything, but I mean, I'll mention the recent article that's just come out recently. Stanford University have just recently published an article saying AI has actually got to the same scale as answering questions on social survey data. So they're thinking about basically AI models being a social proxy to humans, because they've learned enough context to understand how humans will answer particular social surveys. But that's a different example. Of course, it doesn't relate to sort of enterprise problems, but it's about that match between quality of data, having appropriate data that matches the problem that you're trying to solve, and then seeing these results play out. Because then, if you can get to a quality where you can begin to automate, let's say 80% of those activities, then you're thinking about those benefits and things which can materialize as a result.